Virtualized networks. Virtualized network is the combination of hardware and software networking components into a single integrated entity. Software-defined networking is an approach to network operation, design, and management that models flexibility and choice. Software-defined networking removes the traditional networking concepts of IP addressing, subnets, routing, and so on. Software-defined networking improves the ability to respond to changes and threats, to adapt quickly to dynamic physical and business conditions, and to take advantage of best available technology. The purpose of software-defined networking is to separate hardware and hardware-based settings from the network services of data transmission. Software-defined networking splits network traffic into three components: our data transmission method, and data purpose. Software-defined networking architecture are: infrastructure layer, data plane; control layer, control plane; application layer, application plane. Application layer, application plane, are network services, utilities, and applications. Control layer, control plane, are the intelligence in devices. Infrastructure layer, data plane, are network switches and routers and data. Virtual Machine App creates a virtualized environment that behaves like a separate computer system, complete with virtual hardware devices. Hypervisor is a form of virtualization software used in cloud hosting to divide and allocate the resources on various pieces of hardware. Types of hypervisor are Type 1 hypervisor and Type 2 hypervisor. Type 1 hypervisor runs directly on underlying host system. Type 2 hypervisor is a host operating system runs on underlying host system.